Inside this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. And as you can see on the screen now, here are a couple of withdrawals that I've made to my account using this strategy that I'm about to teach you step by step. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any of the steps that I show you during this strategy. And if you get any value from this video whatsoever, hit the like button because it really helps out the channel. Now let's dive into the strategy step by step. The four main steps involved with making money with high ticket affiliate marketing are choosing a product, getting free traffic to that product, collecting emails so that you can promote on the back end, and then of course, making sales. And we're gonna go over all of those steps one by one, starting with how to pick out the perfect product to promote. The best high ticket affiliate marketing product that I have found that I enjoy promoting is Legendary Marketer. And I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video so you can go ahead and sign up and start promoting the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. Now, the reason I really appreciate this high ticket affiliate marketing over all of the other programs is because they promote for you. So they actually do all of the selling in the back end. So you really don't have to do a whole lot of selling with Legendary Marketer. And they give out really high commissions, especially if you are a pro affiliate. And if you join the monthly club, that's how you get the really good commissions all the way up to 50 and 60% with Legendary Marketer. In order to actually promote Legendary Marketer, what you have to do is go through the 15-day business builder challenge, which looks exactly like this. There's 15 days of coaching and training that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. And in that process, you can actually become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer after you go through all the different steps and the training to learn how to promote affiliate products successfully. And that's why I really love Legendary Marketer, is because they don't just give you an affiliate link, they teach you how to use that affiliate link and how to get high commissions with their program. So in order to get your affiliate link, all you have to do is just sign up for the 15-day business builder challenge, go through that, and then apply to become an affiliate. It's really simple. Now that you have a high ticket affiliate marketing program that you are promoting, now it's time to get free traffic to those affiliate links so that you could start making high ticket commissions with that program. And one of my favorite types of traffic is actually using Twitter. And the reason I like Twitter is because it's really easy to post affiliate links on Twitter without getting shadow banned or blocked in any way by Twitter. And it's also really targeted traffic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get in front of your target audience step by step, how to grow your Twitter account if you continue to watch this video. I'm also going to go over exactly how to promote affiliate links effectively on Twitter. And this whole process leads to a really great traffic source for high ticket affiliate marketing. One of the first things that you want to do when using Twitter to get traffic to your high ticket affiliate marketing affiliate links is you want to set up your bio in such a way that it tells people exactly what your account is about. So if you take mine here, for example, I say that first off, I start off saying I have 7,000 followers in 13 weeks. And then I go on and I say, look, passive income with affiliate marketing is what my account is all about. So follow me if you want to learn how to do that. And that's really just establishing my niche so that my target audience follows me, and people who aren't really interested in affiliate marketing don't follow me, because my account is really targeted to people who want to learn how to promote on Twitter and how to grow an audience making money with affiliate marketing. When it actually comes to growing on Twitter and getting people to see your tweets, there's a few things that we need to take into consideration. Number one is we need to be commenting. So when you first start off your Twitter account, whether or not you've had a Twitter account for a long time or you're just beginning one, to use this method with high ticket affiliate marketing, you need to be commenting on other accounts that are inside your niche. And the best way to do that is to just search for people that are related to your niche, and then go ahead and follow them, and then follow the people that they are following. And that's how you're going to find people who are targeted in your niche, because you want all of their followers to eventually start following you. The other two growth tactics for Twitter, of course, are tweets and then threads. Tweets and threads are obviously one of the best ways to promote your account and get followers. With tweets, you want to keep it pretty basic. You want to have shorter tweets that kind of inspire people, so motivational quotes, different things like that. And then with threads, you want to go ahead and create step-by-step tutorials inside of threads on Twitter, and that really gets people to know, like, and trust you, and to be invested whenever you tweet, so that they will click on your bio, take a look at your links, and start following you so you can make those high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. When it comes to commenting, when you first have your Twitter account, I recommend commenting about 30 times a day if you really want to see massive growth on your account in those first few weeks that you are on Twitter. Also, I really recommend to comment with some kind of valuable information. So don't just rely on like simple comments like great advice, thanks. You really want to do comments that really speak to the tweet and then kind of give off your authority and your vibe in that comment. So for example, this one right here that I created, if people can learn from you, relate to you, and earn from you, they will become your fans. So right off the bat, that already seems like I know what I'm talking about and I'm not just saying, hey, great tweet. So it established me as an authority, and then people will go over to my bio and click on that follow button. Now let's go ahead and talk about tweeting. Now with tweeting, you really want to use what are called buzzwords. And these buzzwords are words that are popular and are kind of trending among the Twitter community. Some of those words are normalize, in your 20s, passive income, make money online. All those words are going to be trending for quite a while, and they really do work on Twitter to get your tweets more impressions on Twitter. Also, what you want to do is keep a bunch of tweets in your bookmarks. So if you see a viral tweet, go ahead and bookmark that, and then you'll have a whole log of different tweets that you can model and use for your own niche and on your own account. Also, you want to tweet your high quality tweets, which are going to be like your step-by-step threads or any other kind of tweet that you feel is going to go viral in the morning time. So I like to shoot for 4 and 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is usually a really good time to post your high quality informative tweets. Here's an example of one of the tweets that I created just so you can have an idea of what to shoot for when you're creating a tweet. So it says 3 high income skills to learn in 2021, copywriting, affiliate marketing, email marketing, you'll never go broke. This is kind of the structure that you want to shoot for creating those really high quality tweets. You want to have some kind of hook in the beginning. So my buzzword was high income skills. And then I have my bullet points, which are copywriting, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and then I go ahead and I sum it up with some kind of motivational quote or some kind of call to action. So that's how you create a viral tweet on Twitter. Now let's go ahead and talk about threads. Now, why threads are so important is because threads establish you as an authority on the specific topic that you are creating a thread about. So what I like to create threads on is how to make like $100 a day. I'll create a thread, and what you can do is actually just go ahead and Google different ways to make money online, consolidate blog posts into little tiny threads, and create threads on those different topics and how to make money online. I also like to do Twitter growth secrets. So if you go ahead and you hit 500 followers on Twitter, go ahead and create a thread on how you went about doing that. Talk about how you commented, how you go ahead and promote your account to other people on Twitter, and then how you established yourself as an authority in that niche. It really works well when creating threads. You also want to have some kind of call to action when you're creating a thread. So if you're promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products, you want to have some kind of call to action on the last tweet of that thread, pointing down to the affiliate link so you can actually make commissions when those threads go viral and they start getting a lot of impressions. Here's an example of a thread that I wrote on how to make $500 a month in affiliate sales. So what I did is I went ahead and I hooked my audience, and then I told them to keep reading, and I finished the first tweet saying, hey, look, this is a thread, so you're gonna wanna click and open it up to read all the rest. And then I went through and I just did chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, all the way down to, let's see, chapter 8. And then as you can see, the final tweet here, this is where I gave my call to action, and I told them exactly what to click on and how to start making money with affiliate marketing. And in this case, I was actually promoting my own personal course, Affiliate Equation, but you would just sub this out for Legendary Marketer's high ticket affiliate marketing program, and it will generate you these same kind of results. Now that you know how to get traffic to your affiliate links, let's go ahead and talk about how to actually get the affiliate link inside of Legendary Marketer. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is just go to funnels, and then you're gonna click on the business challenge. And then that's where you'll be able to find your affiliate links. And you can go through and you can actually use the capture page, which allows you to collect emails inside of Legendary Marketer's system. So you don't actually have to build an email opt-in page and collect your own emails yourself. This is a great way for somebody who's just getting started with affiliate marketing, so you don't have to do all that extra work. You can actually just let Legendary Marketer collect all those emails for you, and it makes it super simple. So right there, you would just get your affiliate link for the email capture page. You would just copy that link. And then what I like to do before I post that link anywhere on Twitter whatsoever, if that be in my bio or in some kind of tweet, I like to go over to Bitly. And then inside Bitly, I like to create a new link. So I go ahead and hit create. and then I paste my affiliate link just like that. And then I like to give it some kind of title. So this is going to be the legend capture page. Now what you can actually do is customize the back half of your bit.ly link to make it more clickable so that people will click that link and go over to the capture page. You can also say something like cash challenge, something along those lines, and that would actually help you get more clicks to your bit.ly link because it incentivizes people to click on that link because it creates curiosity, and then curiosity makes people want to click more. Now let's go ahead and talk about how to create your affiliate tweets. So this is going to be where you're going to be doing all of your selling on Twitter and how you're going to get people to convert over to that email capture page inside of Legendary Marketer. So what you're going to do is you're going to give some kind of hook at the beginning of the tweet. For example, want to learn how to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. And then I go ahead and I talk about, this is my #1 training program, and it taught me the skills on how to make over $15,000 on Twitter. Watch this training here and join the 15-day business builder challenge. Follow this kind of layout step by step because it really does convert well. First off, you hook them, and then at the very end, you give them a call to action. And right there at the bottom is where you would actually post that affiliate link that you got from Legendary Marketer. So to summarize the whole process, first off, you start off by getting your high ticket affiliate marketing affiliate link because you really don't know what kind of content to create unless you have that affiliate link to create content for. Next, you want to set up your Twitter bio and tell people exactly what your account is about. I recommend going after the affiliate marketing niche because it's highly effective for converting on high ticket affiliate marketing sales. It's pretty simple. Also, you need to focus on growing your account at the beginning. So that means commenting about 30 times a day, 20 to 30 in that range. Also, you want to create tweets that have those buzzwords in them. And then lastly, you want to try to write a thread about once every 3 days, a step-by-step thread that teaches people some kind of valuable skill with a call to action at the end pointing to your affiliate link. Once you have all those steps covered, you should be good to go in promoting high-ticket affiliate marketing products with free traffic on Twitter. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how to promote affiliate marketing products and how I'm running my affiliate marketing business, go ahead and click on the videos that are popping up on the screen now, and then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. I'm David, and I will see you in the next video.